moment you joined your first military unit, the military stripped you of all your individual identity. You kept your name, which was great, but you were forced into compliance and sameness, which basically is the uniform you wore. Everything about you was identified in that uniform. I would think you would agree with me that the military, in many ways, controlled your brand, which was team and mission first. Now that you're getting out of the military, what is your brand? What are you going to tell people who you are? Who's going to be in charge of your personal branding? Required to identify your new identity as a civilian. Transition veterans must embrace a marketing mindset. Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach, and today's transition tip is your personal brand, part 1. Your authentic personal brand is a differentiated story you intentionally tell to specific people, which in essence is marketing. It's something that veterans that are getting out must get accustomed to. How to market yourself, who to market yourself, what is the story you want to tell. You want to make it so compelling to others that they may ask you, would you send me your resume? Or I'd like to interview you. Send me your resume and let's set up another date to have an interview. In my next video, I will outline how to brand yourself. Remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. I'm Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach. Oh, by the way, to all the military brats out there, today is National Military Brats Day. And I want to shout out to you. And I think you'll agree with this last statement. Your name is nowhere. Your friends are everywhere. Thank you for your service.